In a story from the Global Times yesterday, there were postings on the Weibo account of Lanjinger.com, a verified account and forum for China's financial journalists. The account posted several entries that accused actress Li Bingbing and actor Ren Chuan of insider trading in a fund company.
The situation is this. Li Bingbing is the owner of a company called Shanghai Tianlu Hesong Film and Culture Company. Ren Chuan owns a 50% stake in a company called Shanghai Qiangshen Film and Culture Company. Tianlu Hesong bought 20% of the shares of Beijing Huabo Xinyi Investment and Management Center. At the same time, Qiangshen bought a 10% stake in Huabo Xinyi. Huabo Xinyi, according to the Weibo posting, had obtained insider information and invested heavily in Yunnan Xiangyun Feilong Renewable Technology Holdings in late June, 4 months before Xiangyun Feilong completed its backdoor listing in Shenzhen of Ningbo Sunlight Electrical Appliance Company. The company that the two celebrities invested into made over $21 million in net profit last year. The recent backdoor listing maneuver brought in over $2 million in profit. The Weibo postings say the combined returns from the investment into Huabo Xinyi brought Li and Ren about $3.3 million in profit.
Xinhua reported that Li Bingbing is saying that she and Ren Chuan invested in a fund company which is in charge of making investment decisions, and she's just a minor shareholder, not calling any shots for the company. Ren's publicity director called the posts complete lies.